Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to make a furniture company database. We have already made the following tables, or yeah, there are other tables, and the following attributes has been already been made. So we are going to enter the values in each of the tables, and we are going to execute the following questions which are given these using the data manipulation language. So the first one is we have to insert the above values into the corresponding table. So actually these are entered. So let's see here, like in the order line table. So we can see in the order line table there are so and so inputs have been given. So what are the attributes which are supposed to be made here? So in order line it is order ID, product ID, ordered quantity, and a price is also added. So these are the order line values. So how to enter the following values into it? So we are going to insert into the table name. Here the table name is order line 298 and space values. Now whatever values we are going to enter, we have to put it in bracket. These is in semicolon because these are of data type varchar, and the remaining are the data type of numbers, so it is not going to make any problem. So similarly we have entered all the values. After entering the values, we have made it select star from order line 298. So all the values are going to be shown here. Whatever we have made entry, it's going to show it. Yeah. So similarly we have entered for, in case for product table, we have added a new attribute quantity number that was not added previously. So we have added it quantity, and the data type is number of size 10. Similarly we have done the same for product 298 values. The for given values, all are these in semicolons because these are of data type varchar. We have entered all the insert into the table name values and all the values for the respective attributes. So we have done this one. So the next one is asking update the postal code of Mary Smith to the following. Actually it's not Mary Smith, it's actually Henry Smith in our database. So we are going to show you that too. So these are all that tables values has been entered. So yeah, here. So now our question is we have to update postal code of Mary Smith. So Mary Smith's city was San Francisco. So we are going to make it update. This is what we are going to do. So first we are going to use the keyword update the table name customer 298 where it belongs. Now set postal code. Now set the value of the attribute name or the column name, that is postal code, equal to the changed value where is keyword city or the column. We have to use a reference which would help to a unique reference. So here the city, where city is San Francisco. So wherever the city, wherever in the table customer 298 the city of a value where city is San Francisco, that sets postal code would be updated to 10059. So 10 is updated, it shows. So we'll see here. So Henry Smith, so this one city San Francisco, so it has been changed to 10059. So that's how this one worked out. So next one we have to make yes. Next one is insert the record of 108 10 November a new order, a new record into the table order. So how we are going to do it? We are just going to do exactly the same how we have done it. So insert it to order 298 table name values, the given respective value. The one row is created here and that one has been entered, 108. This has been entered. So this is one. Next one is delete that record now, the following record which we just made. So we are going to delete from order 298 where order ID is something like this. The one word is deleted shows. So display the details of products whose price is more than 100. So yes. So select star from order line 298. So it's going to display select star from order line. Everything from order line table will be displayed. Now where? So which we have to set a parameter where the price that attribute is more than 100. So here actually everything has been shown because all the values as more than 100 actually. So it shows all of those. So that's one. So here we're going to sort and display the details of supplier whose rating is more than 4. So we are going to sort it and display the supplier whose rating is more than 4. So here, so select star from supplier 298 to display from the table supplier 298 where rating is more than equal to 4 order. The order, now what is the order? Now in order we are going to show order by the serial ID, the supplier ID actually. So it's gonna show you like this. So the SID, so in order all the ratings are 4, 4, 5 like this, and it's we can see this supply ID 4, 4, 5, 5. So it's showing in order and as in a proper order is showing. So if we are going to make it like, yeah, we can see the ratings has been not in order. The ratings are not in order, but it is made show. See it? Yes. Okay. We have actually skipped one part. So this one, the first one which we have applied is rate order by serial ID. So it's going to show in the order of serial ID. So the minimum serial ID has been made it first 4, 5, 5 like this. We can see, okay, so sorry, this one. So 4, 4, 5, 5 like this. It's showing the supply ID and the ratings now. This one. So we have made another one. So select star from supply 298 where rating is more than equal to 4. Now order is by rating. So it would sort it out with the help of rating. So we can see 4, 4, then the 5s will come 4, 5. So it is in order. So we have made it. If we want it in order, we can do it. So next one is we have to display which you have seen the question. Sort the table order line in descending according to the ordered price. So according to the price we are going to show it descending in descending order. So how we are going to do? Select star from the table name order line 298 order by price. So price is that attribute or the column order by price, and we have to type desk. So it's actually descending terms of descending. So it will show in descending order. So we can see it. We have called it. So it's 40,000, 40,000, 34,000, 30,000, 30,000, 23. So it's keep on decreasing. So it's in order. So that's one. So we're going to make next one, show the customer details who have ordered the table lamp. We're going to display the customer details who have ordered the table lamp. So how are we going to do it? So it's select star from product 298 table name, product description, that column, that attribute equal to table lamp. So we can see only one person table lamp has bought the table lamp as product material, product list, all those quantities, product IDs has been mentioned. So the next one is how many customers have a name that ends with the letter A. So whose name ends with A. So here we have made a select star from the table name where customer name like. So customer name like, so like actually shows actually like it's totally equal to. So if it ends with a, if it says that it ends with a, so then we're going to give the percentage a. So whatever can be there, anything can be there in place of percentage, but the ending should be with a. So we have made this. So actually no rows are selected, so no names are available that ends with a here. So we can see it, we can show you these are the total here. We can see no name ends with a. So similarly we can show like here list the customer who have a letter Y in their name. We're going to show you, but I just want to show that it works actually. The percentage E, let's give percentage H here. So percentage H, so only one name shows because only his name ends with H. So like that it actually works. So we'll just go to the next one. It's actually list the customers who have letter Y in their name. So Y in their name, Y in their name actually, yes. So here select star from customer 298 where customer name like your percentage Y percentage, so anything can be here in place of percentage, anything can be here. Percentage of Y should be available in the name. So it finds out that only one value which has Y in it. So that's how it shows. So the next one, show the customers whose name starts with letter J. Similar, same thing, same logic. We're going to select star from table name customer 298 where the attribute customer name like J and then percentage. So it starts with J and then anything can follow after that. So actually it's case sensitive. So here's no, we are going to put caps J here, then it shows it John Doe, Jojo has been, the name has been shown. So so the next one we are going to see this is the name of the customers whose ordered quantity is between 10 to 15. So we are going to list the following values and all the respective details of the order quantity is between 10 and 15. So how are we going to do it? So we can say select star from order line 298. So the table name where ordered quantity between 10 and 15. The minimum value and the maximum value should be added. So we can see the ordered quantity. Whatever is between 10 and 15 are mentioned here. I see only 7 rows have been showing. So that's how it goes. The next one is increase the quantity of supplies by 2% for whoever rating is greater than 4. So whoever's rating is greater than 4, we are going to increase the quantity of supply by 2%. Actually it's quite negligible, so we have decided to just multiply it twice actually. So I made it the last actually because I couldn't figure out what could I have done because 2% is quite negligible here. So yeah, so update supplier, the update we are using update supply 298, the table name set keyword, we are going to set the value. Ordered quantity, now ordered quantity, they're going to set the ordered quantity equal to ordered quantity into 2 where the rating is 4. Wherever the rating is more than 4, we are going to set that order quantity value twice into its original value. So we can see only one row is updated, so which one we're going to see it. So where the mode has more than 4, we'll just see the ratings 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. These are not eligible, these are not eligible. More than 4, yeah, this one is more than 4. We can see it rating 5, S5, EEM. You can see the quantity is 20. It's relatively quite larger when compared to others. So this has been increased to its new value. So this is how we're going to increase any value when any condition is given. Next one is display the names of the customer in alphabetical order. So similarly we are going to just make it as order, alphabetical order, yes, this one. So we're just going to make select star from customer 298, the table name, order means in which order we're going to order by customer name. If we are not giving anything, it's going to show it in ascending order. If we use a desk DESC after it, it's going to show in descending order. So here you're going to show it in ascending order, so it's showing Henry Smith H, J, R and all in ascending order. So this is how we're going to do it. Final number of orders placed on 10 October 2014. We are going to find the number of orders which are placed. So how are we going to do it? So you can see it, this one. So select. So we're going to use, we used to show it star. So everything was shown here. So now we are not in. Instead of using that, we are going to use the keyword count. So it's just going to show how many values are there when the following are given, how many values. So count order date, so count of which order date from 298, order table 298. So it shows the original, the total count is 8 here. So now we're going to apply select count order date from 298 order table, where we're going to set the condition where the order date is 10 October 14. So how many values are there, how many order dates are there where it's having 10 October 2014, it shows 4. So that's how we're going to check the quantity. The last and not the least, to show the order details, customer details for the product ID 1000. So we're going to do the same, select star everything from order line 298 table where the product ID attribute is equal to 1000. So it's just showing 1, I think, yes, 1. So you can see order ID and order product ID 1000, and that's respective all the stuffs mentioned. So yes, so this is how we can execute all the following questions using the data manipulation language. So thank you for watching.